Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
The world of finance is fast changing, and so are the jobs associated with this domain. Chartered accountants have more career options today than ever before. From management consulting, transaction advisory, asset management, and traditional finance roles, chartered accountants are receiving challenging opportunities in traditional and non-traditional areas. In such a dynamic, changing environment, if there is one thing that is missing, it's a launchpad. A platform where the top talent could be prepared for taking challenges head-on. To provide this launchpad, Aditya Birla Group designed the Finance Leadership Program in 2013. A unique functional management program that provides first attempt CA All India rank holders an opportunity to learn and perform. Let's hear it from Karishma Khurana, who joined the FLP program in 2016 right after her CA.
I was looking for a job opportunity that wasn't so stereotypical to chartered accountants, and fortunately I landed at the ABG interview. I think the entire experience of appearing in an ABG interview is so refreshing because it kind of lets you reflect on who you are as a person. What's your personality like? You are not just expected to know about your business, you are expected to know about everything that's happening across the group. And that kind of gives you an edge over everyone else and also makes you understand about the dynamisms that are happening around you. And the expectation is not just that, whether you will be able to do well with an Excel sheet or whether you will be able to give me a solution of a taxation issue. It goes way beyond that.
How can you also be part of it, you ask? Fairly simple. Step 1. If you are a first attempt CA All India rank holder, you are eligible to apply for FLP. Step 2. The applicants then need to go through an online aptitude test, a case analysis, and personal interview. Step 3. Send in your CV at careers.ebglp@adityaBirla.com to apply after CA rank list announcements by ICAI. All FLPs undergo 3 stints of 4 months each across different businesses and centers of excellence, culminating in an end-of-year review with senior management. To give you a perspective, let's try to understand how these stints pan out for FLPs by talking to Anuj Minda, currently working as a business analyst at Grasim Pulp and Fiber.
During our time, there were 4 stints of 3 months each. I think they've changed the format now to 4 months of 3 stints each. So if you see, my first stint was a basic stint with Group HR and part with Grasim Industries. It was basically applying my theories that I learned in my examination to practical scenarios. The second one was a more of a behavioral learning for me. It was with our American subsidiary Novelis Inc. in Atlanta, United States. I understood in that stint how broad your horizons can be and how big you can think in order to achieve your objectives and your aspirations. Third one was with the nylon fiber business in their plant at Pune and Bharuch. So it was an execution type of stint. So the first one was a conceptual stint. The second one was a behavioral stint. The third one became a very execution type of stint. So I was from ABG, sitting in Century Enka, a different organization, and I was working with consultants there in order to implement their suggestions and ideas on the ground and convincing people there that this is the right way for them. My fourth one was with the health insurance business here in Mumbai. The health insurance business was just starting up. I think it was 2 years down the line. They had not yet launched their product in the market. So they wanted somebody to design a business performance framework for the organization. My first stint to my last stint, that 1 year was designed to make me ready for the challenges that I will face and the opportunities that will come in front of me for the next 2-3 years or the next phase of my career with Aditya Birla Group.
Once you're successfully confirmed and placed in a business, your journey with ABG begins in earnest. As you heard from Anuj, the roles offered are based on stint performance, skill sets, career aspirations, and mobility. And if you want to get your hands on a different role, well, you can do that too. But what happens when you spend some time with the same business within ABG? Well, let's go now to Komal, who was one of the first FLPs to understand what lies ahead in the long term.
Finance as well, there are multiple sub-functions. Some to name is there is commercial, business planning, treasury, and controllership, and so on and so forth. In the last 6 years, I have got an exposure of minimum 1 year in all these functions. So even though I was working in one company, but I was not handling the same responsibilities, or I was not doing the same work for more than 1.5 years or 2 years. And that's what kept me in the same thing kept me in the ABFRL, and I didn't feel a need to change after that. When I joined Pantaloons, and like 6 or 7 years back, when I see myself and what I am today, there's a two different person altogether in terms of maturity. The expectations from the people who have joined as a FLP program and the expectations from CA who has joined from another route is much higher. And you will have to perform against those expectations, and that's what will take you to the next level.
Does it sound too overwhelming? Let's step back a little then. At the time of the induction, you get to interact with the senior leaders of ABG to learn about the program. A structured mid-year review is also conducted to address any concerns that you have during your stints. It's towards the end of the year that the final review takes place with the senior leaders. From assessments to career planning, networking, and continuous learning, the FLP program opens the door to a world of opportunities.
The design of the program, the first year you go through 3 rotational stints in different parts of the business. It could be a manufacturing unit, it could be a zonal unit, it could be a corporate stint, it could be a non-finance stint in, say, rewards management. We give you a bouquet of experiences. During that experience, you get to interact with multiple senior leaders, multiple significant assignments. We're not treating you as a trainee. We are treating you as somebody who's joining us as future leaders. I've seen people join a little nervous, uneasy, early to industry, need to groom, a little green, coming in and becoming confident individuals in a span of 2 to 4 years. They become confident, young, budding leaders. And that gives me massive pride as a company, as an individual, to see you groom, to see you bloom, to see you do well. You have people who are functionally competent. You've been a terrific chartered accountant, you've cleared your exams, you've done well in those exams, and therefore you built an expertise, you've built a knowledge base. Over time, you also built a bit of confidence to present yourself, to talk about yourself and communicate better. You also have your aspirations, which are maybe early formation. I want to have a career like this. I need to be a CFO. I want to be a taxation head. I want to be an M&A expert. You carry your functional expertise, you carry your personality, and you carry your aspiration to the table. These are the 3 things broadly we ask that you bring in. What it does to you is it gives you a playground to learn, experiment, while learning from tremendous experience and seniors who've seen a range of roles and experiences. How do we groom your qualities, carry your strengths, but also help you identify areas which you need to get polished for and give you those opportunities to do that. That's going to give you your career going forward. Hopefully all in ABG, but even if you choose to go due to circumstances, you'll still be thankful for the terrific time that you would have built in ABG while you build the company in parallel.
At a time when learning has become the key component to success, Finance Leadership Program could become your entry to become the future finance leaders of the Aditya Birla Group. Interested participants can click on the link in the description below to know more about the FLP program.